Action.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Chebet Langat and welcome back. So today I'll be preparing chicken pilau, and with me here I want to show you all the ingredients that I use on my chicken pilau. So come along with me as I show you what I always use. So with me here are some spices that I use for my pilau. This is salt. All my spices are measured in this measuring spoon. It is half teaspoon, and my salt here it's half a teaspoon, and another pinch of it, half of a quarter of the measuring spoon. So I have salt with me, and then I have chicken masala. I have pilau masala. My pilau masala, I have placed it generously, and then I have my garam masala, and I have my mixed spices and my tangawizi. These are the spices that I use. And then with me here, I have half the bowl of garlic. I really love garlic. You see, it's half of it. I placed it generously because the chicken that I'm using it's broiler. So, and then I have 3 bulbs of red onion. I really love onion because it adds taste to the food so much. And then 3 carrots. My carrots, I don't dice them, I crate them. And then I have these big tomatoes. I blend my tomatoes. Sometimes I use tomato paste. I know so many of you discourage, but today I'll just use tomatoes. And then my soy sauce. I know most, if not all of you, discourage using soy sauce on your pilau, but I really love. Personally, on my recipe, I use soy sauce because I love the color that it gives pilau, and and the taste, the salty. Yeah, it has some salty. You know what I mean. And then I have this beautiful oil jar that I got it from House of Leather. It's small, but I really love it. It looks nice. And then with me here, I have my chicken. I had it's defrost. Ni mawe kabisa, but we are going to defrost it. It's really frozen. So our chicken is now ready. As you can see, I have allowed it to finish its own water. I haven't added any water. So na iko na mafuta, inatoa tu hizo mafuta. And what I love about this sufuria that I got from Uncle Retail, the shop is along CBD opposite at your center. I love this. Unaona inakausha kabisa until the chicken turn brownish, hayungushi. So tuzime our gas and then we point to this part. Okay. Alafu I'm using the same sufuria to fry my pilau. See, it is looking really lovely and the sizes are nice ya pilau. Haija shrink kama nini. So this is how it looks. So let us place it kando and let us start frying it here. And then again on a very low heat, I'm beginning to fry. My first step, I'm going to add oil kidogo to generously, but at least yenye inaweza ni chomea vitunguu. That is enough, si mingi sana. And then I add my onions, all my onions. I'm adding all my onions. And then I'm trying to separate them ikue moja moja, and then after that I will close it for some at least 1 minute before I add my spices and my soy sauce. That's the next step. So I'm trying to separate it and ensure that the oil may mix na the onions. So that's what I'm trying to do. This silicone spoon, I got it from Kamkunji for the set. It costed me around it was 2,000, but I bought it for 1,800. That's quite affordable, and there are so many pieces, and I love it. Tunaona venye inanisaidia kazi inakuwa rahisi sana when I am cooking with this beautiful pot. So do you separate yote, as you can see. I am now going to close it for around a minute, just a minute, before we add our spices and the soy sauce. So as you can see, our onions have turned brownish. But it hasn't. I love the smell. So what we are adding here, we're going to add our spices, and then we add soy sauce, and we add carrots. So this is what I'm saying. All our spices. Hivi tu yote venye iko. Namwagia tu hivi. Yes, alafu ni mix too. It is dry. So naona venye inakaa. And then I add my onions. Oh, sorry, I add my carrots. I have just don't mind me, guys. Okay, add my carrots. I really love onions, so you can see. No matter I'm mentioning carrots or onions all the time. So it looks very dry. Now I just mix it to chini. I'm trying to mix the spices and then ishikane before I add my blended tomatoes and that I blended tomatoes with garlic. But before that, I will add my soy sauce. Hapa, I try and mix them and mix them. Naona uzuri ya this sufuria. Look. Huku chini ni dry. Haiwezi choma. Ingekuwa the other sufuria ingechoma kabisa. So let's add, I'm adding my soy sauce very generously. Please don't judge me. Please don't judge. So guys, as you can see, our stew imeanza kuchemka. So we add chicken at this point. Napenda ku add chicken at this point. As you can see, our maji imechemka. So what we're going to do is we add rice and then close and wait for it ichemke too. So I'm adding rice. And then I mix it too kidogo. Now, mix, let's allow it to chemka and even before we serve it, and I show you the end results. Thank you guys for being with me and for your patience, for watching. If you are able to prepare using my recipe, kindly do so and then send me a short video or the end product of my chicken pilau on my Instagram page at Chebet Langat. So let me add, by the way guys, I have reduced my moto iwe kidogo. So let's be patient and wait for our chicken pilau. Yeah. So guys, this is the end result of my chicken pilau, and this is how it has turned out, as you can see. So I am so ready to serve it, present it, and then show you guys.